aids are connected to our app. We are in our remote control area here, and this is where we can turn up the volume on our hearing aids, and we can also turn down volume on the hearing aids. Your neutral volume will always be that 0, and any positive number will be turning it up, and any negative number will be turning it down. Up here you have a P1, P2, and P3. Your provider might give you some programs. If you just have the P1 that says general, that's okay. But if they gave you something here, that's a speech and noise program. And then here we have a lecture program. And this is just the custom programs that were made for this hearing aid. You might have something a little different, and that's okay. But if you do ever need to change your programs, that's where you're going to want to do it, is up here. Down here we have our home button, or actually above the home button, you'll see this little icon right here. If you press it, it will ask you if you want to be reminded about this or never see it again. I just press don't see it again, but you can separate the two hearing aids. So you have your left hearing aid and your right hearing aid. You can turn both of them up, you can turn one of them up, and so on. So if you like to do things differently on your hearing aid, that's great. If not, you can just have them together still. This open sound booster right here, if you have a certain type of Oticon hearing aid, you can turn this on. And what that will do is just drown out some more background noise. It just gives you more of a boost to hear people and a lot of background noise. Down here at home, you can go back to the remote control here, or you can go to it down at the bottom middle. Hearing aid right here will kind of show you a kind of average of where your batteries are. I wouldn't trust it 100% because sometimes it's a little better than others. Both of these batteries are brand new, so I don't think this one's really at 90%. So it should just kind of tell you that they're about to die, and you can kind of get a good idea of where the battery is. Okay, and then it will tell you a little bit about the different hearing aids here, like the firmware is just a software update that it has, and then the serial number for both of them. Find My Hearing Aids is really useful. So let's say you were at the grocery store and you got in the car and realized that you don't have your hearing aid anymore. You could always pull out your phone and click on Find My Hearing Aids, and it will tell you where exactly they are. Sometimes it has to kind of locate it a little bit better, but it'll tell you a good idea of where your hearing aids are. And then up here, it's saying that the hearing aids are very near. If we took the hearing aids away, you'll see that it got really far. But if we get them closer again, you'll see those bars went back up very near. So you can kind of use it like a finder for your hearing aids. Okay, and that's down there as well. That bottom right is the same as this. Hearing fitness is a whole nother thing. You can sign up for it. It can help track your heart rate and your steps. And you can get started there. I would ask your provider to help you with that if that's something you're interested in. Internet of Things, same thing. If you're interested in it, ask your provider. Hearing guide, it tells you a little bit more about commonly asked questions from hearing aids. And then settings, you can manage your Oticon account, and you can personalize your hearing aid and app settings. And that is the Oticon app.